Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 5.4 optional. That first question, which term of an AP 121, 117, 113 is its first negative term? So that will be A is equal to, that is 121, D is equal to, that will be 117 minus 121. So that will be minus 4, and then an, let an is equal to 0. We have suppose an is equal to 0 because before the 0 that will be negative term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 0, so a is 121, then plus n is, that will be find, and then multiply minus 4. So that will become minus 12 is equal to, 121, and then plus n minus 1 into minus 4. No need to write that one, or this one also you can place here, directly cancel. So that 4 3 ja 12, and then 30, and then that will be, and then you can divide here. If we are facing the problem, we can divide here. 4 3 ja 12, and then 1, 4 0 ja 0, and then 1 by decimal, that will be 2 0, that 4 2 ja 8, and then by 2 0 5 ja. So that will be 30.25, and then 30.25 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 31.25. So that will be not possible. So first negative term, that is first negative term is asking. Yes, first negative term is equal to the 31, then that will be 32. This will be the answer. And then second question, the sum of the 13th and 7th term is 6. Second question, 13th, the third and 17th term, third, a3 plus a17 is equal to, that is 6. Again, the sum of third term a3 and seventh term is that, seventh term is equal to 6. So a plus 2d plus a plus 6d is equal to 6. So 2a plus 8d is equal to 6. So here we will take the common 2, that 2 is common, so a plus 4d is equal to 6. So 2 3 ja 6. So a is equal to 3 minus 4d, and then product is 8. Product of that thing, a plus 2d, product a plus 6d, a plus 6d is equal to 8. That is product is equal to 8, and then a value we will also place here. So 3 minus 4d plus 2d, and then 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 8. Now that this will be 3 minus 4d, and this will be 3 plus, that will be 2d, that will be 2d is equal to 8. So 3 3 ja 9 minus 2 2 ja 4, d square is equal to 8, and then that will be minus 4d square is equal to 8 minus 9. So d square is equal to minus 1 upon minus 4. Minus cancel by minus. So d is equal to plus minus 1 upon 2. It means that 2 times we will do the answer. And first 16 term. So n is equal to sum of first 16 term. So n is equal to, that is given 16 term, 16. So first we will apply that form plus value. So Sn is equal to that a value also we will find. A value we will also find that how that will be find a value. See that now this value we will place in is here, where we can find here. So that a is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 upon 2, 2 to the 4. So that will be a is equal to 1. And then again a is equal to 3 minus plus. So that minus 4 into minus 1 upon 2. So 2 to the 4. That will be a is equal to 5. A is equal to, that will be 5. A is equal to 5. Now Sn is equal to n. Now n is given there. N is equal to, that is given that 16. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So that 16 upon 2, that 2 into that a value. First of all we will take 1 plus n, 16 minus 1, that d value is 1 upon 2, that next 2 8 is 16. So 8 2 plus, that will be 15 upon 2. So that 8 multiply 19 upon 2, that 4 ja 76. And then when you will be apply that another value of d and a, then your answer will become same, like different by the same formula. And then question number 4. Question number 4 is a very just a difficult type of question. The houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Then question number 4. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1, and AN is equal to 49. So that there is a value of x such that the sum of the number of the houses preceding to house number x in equal to the sum of the number of houses follow it. Find this value of x. So here we will be apply that s, that x is given there, x minus 1 is equal to, that will be s 49 minus s x. So that Sn formula, that will be x minus 1 upon 2, that 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 into 1. It means on the place of n I have written only x minus 1, and other value are same. Here we will apply n upon 2, that 49 upon 2, that a value is 1 plus 49, and then minus Sx on the place of that one, this will be 2 and then 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 into 1, and then here we will see that x minus 1 upon 2, that will be 2 plus that x minus 1 is equal to, that will be 49 upon 2 multiply 50, and then this value will be minus, so that also you will be apply that bracket because minus is there, so that x upon 2, and that will be 2 plus x minus 1, 2 plus x minus 1, and then here also, here I think n value is, and then minus 1 will also come because n value is already x minus 1, and then we know that formula of that one is 1, so that will be minus 2, so that will be cancelled. So x minus 1 upon 2 into x is equal to 25, so that multiply of that one, 49 multiply 25, 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, 5 4 ja 20, 24, 2 9 ja 18, carry 1, 2 8 ja 1, 9, 5, 13, 12, 35. Or if you don't want to multiply, then also we can do that one, and then minus x upon 2 multiply, that will be 1 plus x, 1 plus x, and then when this one come this side, x upon x minus 1 upon 2 multiply x, and then this will be plus x upon 2 multiply, that will be like this, 1 plus x is equal to 1235. By the multiply of that one, that will be x square minus x upon 2, or this will be x square plus 1, plus x upon 2. So by the adding, that will be 1235. So that x square 2x square minus, that will be cancelled upon 2 cancel by 2, so 1235, so that x is equal to plus minus, that will be 35, or we know that x value is in plus, so that will be obviously that in plus. And then last question, that fifth question, this is not a difficult question, fourth question was only lengthy. Question number 5th, that a small track of the football ground that comprises of 15 steps, so n is equal to 15, we can write directly, and then each of the which 15 meter long, built of solid concrete, each step has a rises 1/4 meter and a thread of 1 meter. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the track. So that one, A1 will be, A1 is equal to, that will be 1/4 into 1/2 into 50, because the meter is a 50, so that will be 25. So 25/4. A2 will be that 1/2 into 1/2, because 1/4, then after 1/2 that will be increased that 25, so that will be 25/2. Now D is equal to that 25/2 minus 25/4, that will be 25/4. Now that we'll apply the SN formula. SN formula, that will be SN is equal to n/2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 15/2, that 2 into 25/4 plus n is 15 minus 1 into 25/4, that 15/2, that 2 ja 25/2 plus that will be 14 cancel by that one, that 14 multiply 25/4. See that first, 2 7 ja 2 2 ja, and then after here we will see next step is that 15/2, that will be 25/2 plus 25 7 ja 175/2, and then 15/2 multiply, that will be 200/2, 200/2, that will be, now 200 ja 250 ja, so 15 5 ja 75, that will be 75 meter cube. It means whole volume, that will be this one.